All right, Falcons. So we are gathering evidence from our model. We're using our materials that we picked up from school. Make sure that there was a little plastic piece right here above the battery. Your flashlight won't turn on without that. So make sure you took that out. Okay. And then what I did is I took my little moon sphere and I stabbed it with a pencil just so it's easier to hold and move around. If I hold it with my fingers, I might get some shadow from my fingers. That's not a big deal as long as you know that that's what it's from, but it'll be easier to see if you do something like this. All right, so we're going to try to model as many of the 5 moon phases as you can using our moon sphere. As your moon sphere as you use your moon sphere, try that again. Think about how your model can act as an evidence that supports claim 1 or claim 2. Discuss the evidence with your group and record it in the spaces below. So you might find evidence for both claims, but you might not, and that is okay. Okay, if for some reason you don't have the model, there is a video. I'd rather you do it with the model, but if you need to watch the video, here's the video of the model stuff, okay? So our investigation question here is, if half of the moon is always illuminated, why does its appearance from Earth change? So claim 1 is saying the moon's appearance changes because Earth casts a shadow on the moon. And claim 2 says the moon's appearance changes because of the position of the moon changes. Okay, so I'm going to turn my light on. I'm going to put it just like on a surface. And then, so this is my moon. And then my head is Earth. So I'm holding it like right in front. And I really only see dark. But now that I look in my camera here, I know that this side is fully lit, but this side is dark. Okay, so now I'm going to move it this way, right? And I do see a change. So I want you, because you can't see what I see right now, I want you to try this and see what you see. And then you're going to just kind of circle around. Now, when you get to the back part, remember the moon is at an angle. So it's not that like, if I have it here and it's right behind me, it will be a shadow. So that is kind of a little bit of evidence for claim 1. But remember what I kind of showed you in the sim yesterday? The moon is at an angle. So if I hold it up, it should be all lit. Now, it kind of depends on our environment. It would be best if it was dark. We had a bright light. And so I will show you that in class. But I want you to gather as much evidence for claim 1 and or claim 2. You can have stuff in both boxes. You should at least have more in one of the boxes. I'll give you that hint. All right. So that is video directions for this part on page 1.